Welcome back to the cryptowrld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and right now, while Bitcoin is still running into this important resistance, Ethereum is potentially experiencing a breakout from this new bullish pattern, which I'll talk more about later in this video, so definitely stick around. First of all, just giving you a quick update here on the daily Bitcoin chart. Obviously, as you can see right here, the price of Bitcoin is still running into this important range of resistance, which is coming into play in between around 24.3k going up towards around 25.2k. So 25.2k is still the level to break. And of course, we also need to see some confirmation on a breakout above 25.2k, such as at least a daily candle close above 25.2k in order to confirm that breakout. And in that case, I'll be targeting towards around 28,500 for the next price target for Bitcoin if we confirm a breakout above 25.2k once again. And now, staying on the daily time frame, obviously this potential bearish divergence is still in its formation phase. We're still seeing higher highs in the price and lower highs in the daily Bitcoin RSI. But as I've explained in more detail in my last 1 to 2 videos here on the channel, right now this bearish divergence is not yet confirmed because we are still pushing into a new higher high right now in the price action. And if this continues, that can pull the RSI to the upside, creating a new higher high or a new uptrend here in the daily Bitcoin RSI. And obviously, if that happens, if we're seeing the RSI trending to the upside alongside the price action, that's no longer a bearish divergence, which is why, at least as of right now, this bearish divergence is not yet confirmed, but it is still potentially forming. It's still in its formation phase, so it's still something to pay attention to, but not necessarily something to act on, at least right now. But what has confirmed recently is, of course, the daily Bitcoin MACD flipping bullish a few days ago now. And already, since we've seen this bullish signal in the daily Bitcoin MACD, we've of course seen more bullish price action in the price of Bitcoin over the last few days. And once again, as I talked about in my last few videos, if you're looking at these previous examples over the last few months where we saw the daily Bitcoin MACD flip from bearish back into bullish, that resulted in an increase in bullish momentum over the next 1 to 2 weeks. And once again, we've just seen a similar bullish signal here in the daily Bitcoin MACD around 3 to 4 days ago now. And just taking a look at the shorter term, this is the 6-hour Bitcoin to US dollar chart. And right now, we still have this area of support in the volume profile indicator starting at around 23.3k, going all the way down towards around 22.7k approximately, where this support starts to drop off. And the majority of this support is sitting closer towards 23,000 exactly, give or take around $100 either side. So at least as of right now, these short-term support levels have not changed since my last video. And once again, these resistance levels at around 25.2k have also not changed since my last video. But anyway, now getting into the Ethereum part of this video, this right here is the daily ETH to US dollar chart. And right now, as of recording this video, the price of ETH is still battling that resistance at around 1.7k, because at least as of right now, we have not yet seen a confirmed breakout above 1.7k with a daily candle close above 1.7k, at least not yet. So obviously that means 1.7k is still the resistance to pay attention to right now for the price of ETH on the daily time frame. And as I said in my last video, if we see a confirmed breakout above 1.7k, then the next important resistance is sitting right here in between 1780 to 1.8k. And above that level, then I would expect more resistance closer towards $2,000. And as for support on the daily time frame, we still have this level right here at around 1.5k, acting as strong support on the daily time frame. And now, due to the fact that the price is struggling to confirm a breakout above 1.7k, this means that the bullish flag pattern on the daily time frame is not yet confirmed, because as I've explained in recent videos here on the channel, we really need to see a confirmed breakout above 1.7k in order to confirm this bullish flag pattern and confirm this technical price target, which, in case you're wondering, is sitting at around 2.1k. But it is important to understand that that 2.1k price target is not yet active. It is not in play because, once again, we have not confirmed a breakout above 1.7k, at least not yet. But obviously, just a few days ago, we saw a confirmed bullish flip here in the daily Ethereum MACD, which once again is a signal telling us that we're due to see an increase in bullish momentum, as we've seen here in the past at these previous examples over the last few months. And so if we see anything play out like what we've seen in these previous examples over the last few months, once again showing an increase in bullish momentum over the next 1 to 2 weeks, this would mean that potentially soon we could see a breakout above 1.7k confirm. It's just we haven't actually seen that just yet, but it could be coming soon based on this bullish signal. And if that happens, not only would we confirm this bullish flag pattern with a break above 1.7k, but we would also potentially confirm this massive cup and handle pattern on the daily ETH to US dollar chart. Because as you can clearly see, we have a massive cup and handle already formed on the chart, and we have potentially already seen an initial breakout depending on where you're drawing this line of resistance. If you're basing it on this previous high, which is sitting closer towards around 1670 to 1680, then we have potentially already seen the initial breakout and waiting for more confirmation like this retest to complete. But ideally, I would like to see a confirmed break above 1.7k in order to actually activate the technical price target and really confirm the breakout for this pattern. But speaking of that technical price target, once again, if we see a confirmed breakout above 1.7k, then that will set up a technical price target for this cup and handle pattern at around 2.6k. So from the point of the breakout to that technical price target, we're looking at approximately a 50% move to the upsides. But obviously it is important to mention that at least as of right now, that price target is not yet active, because ideally we need to see that breakout above 1.7k confirm first. And on top of that, it is also important to understand that even if we confirm this breakout above 1.7k and activate this technical price target at around 2.6k, even in that case, we would of course have resistance between now and then. For example, these other resistance levels that I mentioned here on the daily time frame, they do have the potential to stop the price along the way, so keep that in mind. And as for the shorter term here on the 6-hour time frame, these short-term support levels have not really changed here in the volume profile indicator since my last video. So if you're new to the channel and you want to know more about these support levels, then check out my last video on this channel. And now, if you want to know how to maximize your profits in crypto, no matter if the price is going to the upside, to the downside, or simply chopping around sideways, then make sure to watch these videos popping up right here on your screen. The video in the top left is a complete step-by-step tutorial showing you how to make money in bullish and bearish markets, and the video in the bottom left shows you how to make money in crypto if the price is chopping around sideways. But anyway, that's everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.